It doesn't always start with a bang. Sometimes it begins in the quiet moments just before dawn, when the world is still asleep. One morning, something shifts. A subtle change in the air you breathe, and you silently decide, I deserve better from life. It doesn't come with fireworks or a grand announcement. There's no audience to applaud this internal turning point. It comes quietly, a whisper so soft you almost miss it. It's a feeling that settles deep in your bones, a quiet resolution that takes root while you're making your morning coffee, or staring out the window, watching the day begin. Maybe it comes after a breakdown, when you feel you have nothing left to lose. Or maybe after a big defeat, when the sting of failure has finally faded into a quiet strength. It's in the aftermath of the storm that the ground is most fertile for new growth. You look at yourself in the mirror, really look, past the tired eyes and the lines of worry. You see the person who has been fighting so hard for so long. You're tired of doubting, tired of shrinking to fit into spaces where you were never meant to be. And in that moment of stillness, you decide,
I am done questioning my worth.
That moment, that single quiet decision, changes everything. It's the first step onto a path that was always there, waiting for you to claim it. Because true, lasting belief isn't loud or boastful. It's steady. It's the quiet hum of confidence beneath the surface. The unwavering knowledge that you are enough, just as you are. It's the seed of every great transformation. You plant it in the soil of self-acceptance. Water it with daily acts of kindness to yourself, and trust that it will grow. This self-belief is the first victory, the one that matters most. Every other success, every goal achieved, every dream realized, follows from this fundamental win. So speak it softly to yourself, in the mirror, on a walk, in the quiet of your own heart. I believe in me. Not for anyone else, not for their approval or their validation, but for you. For the person you are right now, and for the person you are becoming.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.